temperatures 24 to 28 degrees expected. Where? Cache Valley, Utah portion and eastern Box Elder County. When? From midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts, frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Additional details, most of the impacts will be from northern Box Elder County, for example the Tremontine/Brigham City area and into the Cache Valley. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Outdoor plumbing recently activated for the